6 months after losing the trial, Amber Heard appeals the $10 million judgment in the Johnny Depp defamation case. Amber Heard is formally appealing the decision that found her guilty of defaming Johnny Depp 6 months after losing to the actor in a widely reported court case. Amber Heard submitted paperwork to appeal the decision in her case against Johnny Depp from June 2022. Amber was found guilty of defaming her ex in an op-ed piece for The Washington Post, and as a result, she lost the lawsuit and was forced to pay her ex $10 million in damages. Amber is contesting the decision for 3 grounds, according to court documents acquired by Deadline. She asserts that the court erred in not throwing out Depp's claims before trial. Due to Depp's lack of actual intent, the trial court erred in refusing Heard's move to set aside the jury verdict, and the trial court erred in declining to order a new trial for numerous reasons. Due to the fact that the challenged statements are non-actionable expressions of opinion and the challenged statements are not reasonably capable of conveying a defamatory implication as a matter of law, Amber contends in her appeal that Johnny's defamation claims against her should have been rejected before a trial even began. In her op-ed for The Washington Post, Amber talked openly about experiencing domestic violence. In the article, she avoided mentioning Johnny by name, but their breakup, their relationship, and Amber's earlier accusations of domestic abuse against Johnny. She requested a restraining order against him in 2016, and the case received a lot of attention. Additionally, Johnny is charged in Amber's appeal with failing to prove by clear and convincing evidence that Heard was aware of and intended to communicate the alleged defamatory implications and failing to prove by clear and convincing evidence that Heard either knew the alleged implication that he had abused her was false or subjectively entertained serious doubts about its truth. She further asserts that during the trial, the court made several evidence errors that severely disadvantaged her. She claims that the trial's exclusion of proof of Depp's abuse and Heard's state of mind was a mistake on the part of the court. Amber's belief that the $10 million in damages is excessive is reiterated in the appeal. Amber's attorney previously claimed that she was unable to make the requisite payment. Amber's appeal claims that, if the holding is upheld, it will undoubtedly have a chilling effect on other women who wish to speak about abuse involving powerful men.